What up, great people? It's your favorite rope guy here, Lawrence from LOfitness, and today I shall show you two simple tricks to come out of a reverse or backward jump. If you're new to this channel and you want to learn how to jump rope, perfect your jump rope trick or workout to be fit, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification. So I'll show you the basic mechanics and you learn it with me. So from this backwards jump, first thing to do is to learn how to do the backwards jump, right? So from the backwards jump, I kind of rotate and boom, I'm into the forwards jump. So let me do it from back to show you better how I do it. So from this position, I'm into backwards jump, then I spin, rotate, wrap, and I'm into it. So what you basically do here is, so I kind of move the ropes backward. Let me try to do it slowly. Then I kick out, rotate, and I'm into the jump one more time. I don't know. So remember, from this position, you're jumping this way, and watch what I do with my body. To wrap this rope around your hands from behind without tripping on it, I kind of kick out my right leg. So if you are doing it on your left side, you have to also maybe kick out with your left leg. That's the kind of trick to move your leg away from the rope so it doesn't get caught and end up you tripping into it. So from a backwards jump, you see, so I kind of kick out for the rope to easily wrap on my hand. Then when I'm unwrapping, I'm into the 180 turn with my legs and I'm into the forward jump. It's very, very simple. So let's do it like two more times for you. 1, 2, boom. 1, 2, and we are in. Remember, I'm not letting go of the handles, like I'm gripping tight to the handles. Although there's another trick that once you're turning backwards, you have to let the handle go, like you kind of grip it this way. Then once you come back, before you enter your forward jump, you really grip the handle and you open. So that one should be something like this. And 1, 2. So when you wrap, you leave the handles and you enter. It's that simple. So let's do a normal wrap and unwrap from behind to forward. So from the reverse jump, crazy. From the reverse jump, you enter and boom. So if I'm to enter the reverse jump again and go, and I mean, so while you wrap and unwrap, make sure you get like 8 counts or 3 counts for you to maintain your rhythm. So if you're jumping to a music or jumping to like edit to a music or something, you can maintain your rhythm and everything will flow well. Now moving to the next trick. I think this one is even simpler than the first one we do. So from this reverse jump, you like jump and swing back to your forward jumps and you continue. So let's say I start with my reverse jump here and I'm jumping and I'm entering. It's just like a completion of the 360, like the regular 360 jump rope trick. So from your backward jump, you move 1, 2. So your next one, you turn and you're in. So naturally, the rope is supposed to like go in for you to enter. So from this position, right, you go 1. Make sure you time yourself very well. Then once you're rotating, you can also move your rope in that direction. So if I'm rotating, I'm coming back in. So from the backward jump and in. So let's do that like 2 more times. Pick up your rope and do it with me. So from the backward jump, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Wow, it's that simple, guys. I'm completely out of breath. So you guys should try these moves and comment down below what you think about them.
Which part of this move do you need to work on? Let us know in the comment section. Thank you for staying with us to the end. Your support has taken us this far and we are really happy to have you. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your loved one, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and turn on notification to catch up with our new contents. Until next time, remain beautiful, handsome, be fit, and most importantly, stay healthy. Take care of yourself, guys. Enjoy.